Flower bucket bag. Can be carried as a single shoulder bag. Can be carried crossbody. Crochet tutorial is here. Materials needed are as follows. Part 1. Flower crochet. Worked with a single strand of raffia yarn. Hold the yarn between your ring finger and pinky, wrap it once around your index finger, and pinch it between your thumb and middle finger. Make a slip knot first, then adjust the loop to a size that allows the hook to move freely. Round 1. With the hook in front of the yarn, wrap the yarn from bottom to top and pull through a loop. This completes 1 chain stitch. You need a total of 6 chain stitches. Then, return to the first stitch and insert the hook into the back bump. Yarn over and pull through both the loop and the stitch. This completes a slip stitch. The chain now forms a ring. Round 2. Chain 1 as the starting stitch for the single crochet. Insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is complete. Place a stitch marker here. This round requires a total of 12 single crochets. If space becomes tight, gently adjust the completed stitches. After finishing, join the last stitch to the first with a slip stitch. Round 3. Chain 2, then skip 1 stitch and make a slip stitch into the 3rd stitch. This completes 1 pattern repeat. Continue around following the pattern. Chain 2, skip 1 stitch, slip, stitch. There are 6 repeats in total. Join to the first stitch with a slip stitch. Round 4, chain 4. Then work 5 double crochets into the chain 2 space from the previous round. Note, the double crochets should be worked loosely so they're not shorter than the chain 4. After completing 5 double crochets, chain 4 and make a slip stitch into the next chain space. 1 petal complete. Repeat around for a total of 6 petals. Demonstration of weaving in ends. Bring the yarn to the back of the work. Insert the hook into a stitch near the tail, catch the yarn, and pull it through, essentially weaving the tail under the stitches. Trim excess. Part 2. Joining the flowers. The flowers are joined while crocheting. Connect at the chain 4 spaces on both sides of the petals. After completing the 5 double crochets of the first petal, join with a slip stitch to the chain 4 space of an existing flower. Then chain 4 and slip stitch into the chain space. For the next flower, after chaining 4, join with a slip stitch to the adjacent chain 4 space of the previously joined petal. Then work 5 double crochets into the chain space. chain 4, and slip stitch. The first round of flowers only requires joining 2 petals. Ensure later joins are made symmetrically on the opposite 2 petals to avoid misalignment. The second and third rows have more joining points. Join while crocheting according to the diagram. Part 3. Assembling the bag body. Start with a slip knot. Join the yarn to the center stitch of the 5 double crochets on the right side petal. Chain 4 to replace 1 treble crochet. Place a stitch marker on the 4th chain. This is the first stitch of the round. Work 1 double crochet into each of the next 2 double crochet stitches. Move to the next petal. Work 1/2 double crochet. Yarn over. Insert hook into stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Then 3 single crochets. And 1/2 double crochet. On the left petal's double crochet stitches, work 2 double crochets. And in the third stitch, work 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert hook into stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops 3 times. Each petal is worked the same way, 11 stitches per petal. 6 petals will total 66 stitches. Next, take a 44-hole round bag base. Note, the side with protruding pegs should face you. Make a slip knot and join the yarn to any hole. Chain 1 as the beginning single crochet. Does not count as a stitch. Work 1 single crochet into the same hole and mark it as the first stitch. In the next hole, work 2 single crochets. Continue alternating between 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets around 66 stitches in total, matching the bag body. Round 2. Work 66 single crochets in order. After joining, leave a long tail, about 3 times the circumference of the base. Use a tapestry needle to sew the bag body to the base, aligning stitches. Avoid pulling too tightly to prevent breaking. After sewing, weave the yarn to the inside and hide the tail. Turn the bag inside out. Weave in the end as shown earlier, and trim. Finally, attach the finished adjustable strap to the holes in the center of the flowers on both sides. The strap can be adjusted for single shoulder or crossbody wear. For a structured look, insert a liner.